It's just a very beautiful campus. That's what I tell people whenever they ask me.
It's the location. It's being by the sea, by the mountains.
It's beautiful. You know, I can go hiking whenever I want to, kayaking whenever I want to, like everything's just on the doorstep.
There's lots of opportunities for surfing, for climbing, for hiking.
You can step into nature anytime you want. I walk for 10 minutes. I'm in this forest filled with beautiful trees.
There's like a bunch of societies and organizations to join, sports clubs. There's just a ton of different ways that you can get involved, and it all works really well around the schedule of being a student.
I think that all of these things let you have such an immersive experience as a student, and you can do so many different things just here in Bangor, which is a small town in North Wales.
North Wales, it's this tight-knit community that's just lovely to be a part of, and you feel just part of something. It's lovely.